wondered how money is made? Not earned, but physically created. It's a process far more intricate than just printing numbers on paper. It all starts with the very foundation, the paper itself. But this isn't just any paper. Here at a high-security currency paper mill, the journey begins. Large sealed containers arrive, not with wood pulp, but with something special, raw cotton and linen fibers. We're talking about the same stuff your best shirts are made of, chosen for its incredible durability and unique feel. Meet David Keller, a paper mill supervisor. His job is crucial. He watches over the first transformation. The raw cotton fibers, looking like shredded white fluff, are fed into a massive machine called a hydropulper. Inside, these fibers are mixed with purified water. Giant blades churn everything into a thick white slurry, like a high-tech industrial smoothie. David meticulously monitors screens showing moisture levels and fiber length. Every detail must be perfect. If the fibers are too long or too short, the final banknote won't have the strength to survive years of circulation. This isn't just paper. It's a security document in its infancy. Once the pulp reaches the exact consistency, it's ready for the next, even more secret stage. Now, the magic really begins. This white pulp slurry flows onto a massive machine, the Ferdrinier forming a continuous, wet sheet of paper. This is where security integration engineer Sofia Martinez takes over. Her station is a symphony of precision. As the damp paper glides along, she oversees the embedding of the security thread. It's a transparent polymer strip woven directly into the paper's core. Look closer with a macro lens, and you'd see microtext hidden inside. A tiny detail that's a nightmare for counterfeiters. Simultaneously, Sophia aligns holographic strips using laser-guided rollers, ensuring each one is placed with perfect accuracy. And then there's the watermark. A heavy cylinder gently presses a design, maybe a national emblem or a portrait, into the wet paper. This process thins the paper in specific areas, creating an image that's only visible when held up to the light. Every beep and whir of the machinery is a step towards creating a banknote that is not just a medium of exchange, but a masterpiece of security technology. The wet paper, now embedded with these crucial features, continues its journey, ready to be dried and then finally printed. The next time you hold a banknote, take a closer look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how our world works. Ever wondered how money gets its intricate design and that unique feel? Let's dive back into the high-security printing hall. This is where blank security paper is transformed into the currency we use every day. The first step is offset printing. Giant sheets, each holding multiple notes, are fed into massive presses. Here, layers of special magnetic ink lay down the complex background patterns and vibrant colors that are the first line of defense against counterfeiting. These base layers are incredibly precise, forming a foundation that's almost impossible to replicate. Next, the sheets move to what's called an Intaglio printing machine. This is where the magic really happens. This press uses immense pressure to transfer ink from an engraved plate onto the paper. It's what creates those raised tactile features like the portraits and major design elements. If you've ever felt the slightly rough texture on a new bill, that's Intaglio printing at work. Master operators like Hero are constantly checking the ink depth with magnifying loupes, ensuring every single line has that distinct, touchable quality. This isn't just for looks, it's a critical security feature that you can feel with your fingertips. Now that the sheets are fully printed with their beautiful and secure designs, they move on to the final stages, numbering and inspection. Each note needs a unique identity. A specialized machine prints a distinct serial number on every single bill, often in 2 different colors to make them even harder to fake. From there, it's all about quality control. Every single sheet flies through an advanced AI optical inspection system. High-speed cameras scan for the tiniest flaw in color, alignment, or printing. Anything that doesn't meet the perfect standard is immediately rejected. But technology isn't the only gatekeeper. Highly trained inspectors like Amina perform manual checks, even examining notes under UV light to verify hidden security features that are invisible to the naked eye. Once a sheet passes every single test, it's finally ready. Automated guillotine cutters slice the sheets into individual notes with surgical precision. These new bills are then stacked, counted, bundled, and shrink-wrapped. Finally, the bundles are sealed into secure boxes, ready for distribution. From a blank sheet of paper to a finished bundle of currency. It's a journey of incredible precision, security, and technology. Thanks for watching our series on how money is made. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing behind-the-scenes content.